You boy, you want to shoot some pool? Huh? You want to shoot some pool? Huh? What do you think, bud? Whose shot is it? Oh, no. You can't do that. You can't do that. You can't. Watch this, bud. Oh. What do you think, buddy? I got a long shot. Is it good? Not your shot, is it? Huh? You want to shoot? Huh? Oh, no. What do you think? What do you think, bud? Don't grab that ball, boy. Let's see here. I'm going to take a shot here, okay? I'm going to take a shot right here. What do you think, buddy? Huh? You still excited? Here, I'll show you how to do it. What do you think the best shot is? What do you think I'll do? I'm going to do a combination shot, okay? Watch. Oh, no. You monkey dog. You're not gonna let me take a shot, are you? You're not gonna... What do you think? What do you think, boy? See right here? Got a few sticks. See, check it out. Is that good? It's good. You think it worked? Oh no! Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing up there? Hey, come here. Oh, there went the ball. You a funny dog. You know that? You are a funny dog. You are a funny dog. You are a funny dog. You a funny dog. You a funny dog. You a funny dog. Yeah, we done. Yeah, Q. Tell Mama, us boys like to shoot pool, don't we? It's a boy thing, isn't it? Yeah.